Hi, I'm Christina Isaac. I lead the policy function for secure products at Godrej Capital, setting up the policy function for GC for secure products. And I did it with the support of the seniors here who have been really, supportive and inspirational. But it was so exciting to be one of the foundations for the risk function in GC at a very early stage in the company. And I'm very proud of what we've built over the years. And looking back, it feels great to have been part of that story. The banking industry in general is one with a lot of learning and also at the same time very fast paced. It's not just women but men equally need a lot of support and flexibility, and I've been blessed to have that at GC from my leaders, from my seniors. So I think there's so much more to life than work. Yes, we do spend a lot of our time at work, but then a lot of us don't just prioritize life, So it's just about the mindset, For me personally, I think I just can't live without spending quality time with my family and my friends. And because of that, belief that I have, I make it a point to kind of spend time with my daughter, and parenthood kind of gives you a time to relive your own childhood, and it's precious. So just spending time with her is so fulfilling. So I do make it a point to kind of incorporate that in my week, even on weekdays when I'm back from work, and of course on the weekends. So yeah, it's great. Today I can confidently, give my opinion on a wide variety of things in how an organization works, and that kind of helps in working across teams and also talking to seniors and influencing them to make a decision for the organization. So that comes only if you kind of go beyond your comfort zone and take on new areas, new challenges. So not just new experiences and new departments and new roles, but sometimes even a new boss, like a tough boss, somebody who is very demanding, can also be something that you're not really comfortable with. But just getting through that time, and tough bosses come with something they also come with a lot of learnings, because their toughness comes from the fact that they have really high expectations from you as a professional. And being able to deliver on that will come as a surprise to you that, I never knew I could do this. And that's also the time when you in your career will learn the maximum. That's what I've seen with, looking back at the times when I've worked with tough people. So I don't think we should shy away from these things which are new challenges, new bosses, new maybe roles, new geography maybe, because that's what actually pushes you to the next level. Typically, you're going to work from anywhere between 30 to 35 years probably, if you end up retiring from work. So in the entire 30 years, what difference does a couple of years of, average performance or even failures do? It doesn't do much, right? So in that long time horizon that you have, it's fine to make mistakes, but the important thing is to learn from them and not be in denial. So that's one thing that I really think changed me as a person. It's not really human resources. People who work for you are not, there just to deliver on the KRA that they're given for the year. They're more than that. So taking care of them as individuals, being there to support them, grooming them for the next level. It's a very unselfish thing to do as a leader, to make sure your team is ready for the next level. So that's one thing that I've seen my seniors do, and I try and emulate that in my leadership style.